Here's the update on Troy Rosario's possible new team. Hello everyone, what's up? I'm Erwin, ang pambansang Batang Kagi ng Pilipinas. Kayo po ay patuloy na nanonood at sumusubaybay sa akin pong FTW, ang For the Wins video. For today's video po, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang possible na bagong team ni Troy Rosario. So as per spin.ph, Troy Rosario formally declined the offer of TNT Tropang Giga and confirmed that there's no second coming for Troy Rosario at the TNT Tropang Giga camp. So in an exclusive interview of spin.ph, Rosario bared that he has formally extended his gratitude to the management of TNT and including team governor and PBA chairman Ricky Vargas and coach Chat Reyes for their efforts to rehire Troy Rosario from the free agency market. But Troy Rosario advised TNT that he wants to explore opportunities with other teams. So here's what Troy Rosario said. So nakapagpaalam na ako sa TNT management and sobrang thankful ako sa interest na binigay sa akin ng TNT. So mahal ko ang TNT, pero at this point gusto ko namang subukan ng ibang team, Troy Rosario said. And gusto ko lang ng new challenge. Yun siguro ang masasabi ko. I had success with TNT, then sa Blackwater I was able to to prove my capabilities, pero sabi ko naman I'm not yet closing my door. Siguro not this time pa muna, said the player who fans believe that can fill the balance of the league as soon as he decide to sign up with a new ball club. So ngayong week I will decide. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali at hindi ako nagpapa-importante. So, syempre, there's some decisions na kailangan mo timbangin, maigi at kailangan mo assess ng tama. Which is, Troy Rosario is definitely tama yung ginagawa ni Troy Rosario. And with Troy Rosario's declining TNT's offer, sources bear that San Miguel Corporation can now start negotiating with Troy Rosario. Ang reason pala kung bakit hindi pa gumagalaw ang SMC group for Troy, kasi napag-alaman ng mga trusted sources na may gentleman's agreement ang SMC group dun sa counterpart nila na MVP group na not to touch Troy Rosario until their negotiations are over. And eto na nga, so dinecline na ni Troy Rosario yung TNT offer, and so expect na maglalatag talaga ng formal offer ang SMC group. So dun sa tatlong SMC teams, alin man dun malaki yung matutulong ni Troy Rosario. So dun sa mga team na yun, kasi nga versatile player si Troy Rosario. He can even play at 4 alongside with Junmar Fajardo sa San Miguel Beermen, and sa Magnolia naman is he can definitely added some post players sa Magnolia, and makakatulong ng malaki yan kay kina Ian Sanggalang, so na kina James Laput and the entire Magnolia. But sources said that Troy Rosario is almost final on his decision and to play under coach Tim Cone at the Ginebra camp. So with the possible comeback of Jamie Malonzo, Jeremiah Gray and Isaac Ko, who sidelined from injury last conference. So in this coming Commissioner's Cup conference, the addition of Troy Rosario at Ginebra will definitely improve the lineup of Ginebra, and possibly Ginebra will become a title contender again. So for every position, it's more on mas balance except for the center position. So yun yung medyo kulang sa Ginebra. But if Troy Rosario will decide naman to sign up with Converge, automatic title contender na din ang Converge with the latest acquisition of Converge, yung rights kay Jordan Heading. Tapos I guess maglalaro na rin to si Justin Baltasar from dun sa kakatapos lamang na MPBL. So, and with Justin Arana, biglang lalakas yung Converge. And if madadagdag pa si Troy Rosario, so imagine yung lineup ng Converge, magiging title contender talaga sila. So sobrang babata and mas magiging athletic yung mga players. Idagdag mo pa dyan si Winston and Stockton, and biglang solid yung bigs ng Converge. Tapos nga yung guards lalakas din with Jordan Heading coming up. So in my opinion and point of view, so if Troy Rosario is looking for a career stability, he needs to choose SMC Group definitely. Hindi naman bata na si Troy, so hindi na siya babata. He is a 32-year-old and playing for San Miguel Corporation. I think is the best choice, especially if mapunta siya sa Ginebra. Kasi I'm not biased naman dun sa aking opinion na yan. So nakikita naman natin yung lineup ng Ginebra. So kasi may automatic spot si Troy Rosario sa first 5 ng Ginebra. Kasi most likely walang post player ng Ginebra, di ba? Si Japet Aguilar naglalaro hindi naman sa post. So most likely gusto niya yung mga offensive rebounds, and then ipuput back yung mga laruan ni Japet Aguilar, and at the same time yung mga alley-oop play, yung mga lob passes, yun yung mga game style ni Japet. And at the same time, wala nang ibang big man halos ang Ginebra. Si Ben Adamos hindi rin siya masyadong post player, and of course with the addition of Troy Rosario, ayun, mas mabibigyan talaga siya ng spot dun sa first 5 ng Ginebra. And at the same time, Troy Rosario can play multiple position, and yan yung mga ganyang player ang gusto ni Coach Tim Cone, yung may slash, may post, yung may 3-point shooting. So it's because Coach Tim Cone is playing yung sa kanyang yung kanyang game style kasi is more on motion, di ba? So motion, and then gusto niya is walang ball dominant, gusto niya pass, and then if open sa 3 points sa perimeter, then yung player kayang mag-outside shooting. At the same time, kaya ni Troy Rosario yung maglaro sa post sa number 4. So kulang ang Ginebra sa ilalim. So kasi nga wala tayong legitimate center with the departure of Kristiansson Hardinger, so nabawasan talaga ang bigs ng Ginebra. So again, but if Troy Rosario wants to build a new dynasty, so Converge is the best choice kasi si Troy Rosario yung magiging veterano na nun. So kasi puro mga bata yung mga players with Justin Arana, Justin Baltazar, and yung buong Converge parang talagang sobrang bata ng lineup na yun. And besides, marami siyang matututunan kay 2-time MVP Daniel Deponso at 2-time MVP Willie Miller. So imagine yung mga yung mga veterans na yan, na mga talagang solid MVP. So and Troy Rosario can play multiple position like what I have mentioned earlier. So he can play bigs, he can play 2 or 3. Yan yung mga kayang ilaruin ni Troy Rosario. Well, let's see. And since Troy Rosario advised that i-reveal na naman niya yung kanyang final decision about his new team, and this week, so either bukas or by Friday is meron na tayong bagong update kay Troy Rosario. So again, ito po ang inyong pambansang batang kalye ng Pilipinas. Kayo po again ay patuloy na sumusubaybay sa aking FTW ang For the Wins video. So see you on my next vlog. Peace.